Have you been wondering how people are creating cute, funny AI dancing babies and thought, how are they doing this? Then you are in the right place. In today's video, I will be showing you step by step how to create an AI dancing baby, even if you have no experience with animations or AI tools. This step can be used to create animated characters, funny short videos, and so on that you can post on your YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reel, TikTok, and also you can use it for creativity and fun. So if you are ready to learn something, let's get started. Okay, so the first thing you do is to get the picture you want to use. Or let's say you saw a video and you like the baby that was used and you want to replicate that baby. So it is possible. What you just need to do is to uh, pause the video and make sure the baby is facing you directly. All right. Let the baby not face another side, because when the baby face you, the AI that we want to use to generate the image of that baby will capture exactly um, that kind of image you have given to it. All right, to capture the everything about that baby and give it to you back, almost a look-alike copy. So what we'll do is let's look for a video online. Let's use TikTok, because we can actually get a lot of dancing baby videos from TikTok. So let me open TikTok. So let's say, okay, this is the baby we want to use. All right, so I just need to pause it and make sure the baby is facing me directly. So okay, so let's say this is the picture we want. All right, so it is facing us directly, so I just need to screenshot. Okay, so I have to crop to get the size, the places I want. Okay, so I've cropped the baby, the picture, I've cropped it. So the next thing we do is to, of course, come to ChatGPT. We open ChatGPT. So what we want to do now, we want to generate a prompt that will enable us generate the picture. All right. So I can say, give me a prompt to create a character like this kind of image uploaded with different outfits but looking almost alike. What I've said is, let the AI give me a prompt that will create a character that looks like the one I'm about to upload, all right, with different outfits, because I don't want the outfit to look alike, but let the face, everything about the picture look like the one it wants to generate for me. Let it look like exactly that baby, but different outfits. So I will click on upload and I will add the image I want to generate. So I will submit and wait for it to give me the prompt. It will not take time. All right, so here's the prompt. You can see, of course, ChatGPT already knows that the image I submitted is 3D. You can see it knows that it's 3D. So I just need to copy the prompt. All right, so I copy it, and the next thing I do is to re-upload the picture, and I will say create for me this image. All right, so I will now upload the prompts. I can add the size of the image, say like image size I can say 9 by 16. So I will hit submit. Oh, it's like I'm having, could it be um, internet connection? Okay, what's happening? Okay, so it's back. I think it was a network issue. So I will hit submit. So you can see the image has started generating. So let's wait for it. So guys, this is the image ChatGPT has generated for me using this prompt. You can see how easy it is. So I have to I have to save, I have to save this image. Okay, so I've downloaded the image. So this is the part you've been waiting for. So we just have to make this picture to do a dance for us. So what we'll do is I will open an app called, there are so many AI tools you can use. So for me, I'm using this app. I'm using Click AI. So this is the app I'm using. So when you sign in, they will give you free credit or coins. So when you've exhausted it, you can upgrade. All right, you can get a paid version. So the next thing I'll do is I will sweep I will sweep this I will sweep this, then I will click motion control. So I'll click motion control. So you can see, so the next thing is I will add my character image. So the character image is the picture we have generated. So here is it. I will upload it. So let's wait for it to upload. So guys, the image has been uploaded. The next thing we do is we have to upload our motion video. We have to upload our motion video, that is the dance we want to replicate. All right, so you can look for any video of anybody dancing. We should have done that before even coming to the Click AI, but let's go and do that. So let's look for a picture of someone dancing. Okay, so I've gotten the dance I want. All right, so this is the dance I want. So I have to come to I have to come back to the Click AI. Then I'll add the motion video. So I'll select. Okay, sorry, before I do that, I want to mute the sound, all right, because of copyright. So I have to mute it. I'll click edit. I will mute the audio. I will mute the audio. I'll mute the audio. You can see that the audio is no longer playing. So still I want to make the video short a bit. All right, this is just okay, this is 5 seconds. Okay, this is perfect. I want to leave it like this. So I will come back to um, Click AI. As I've said, I will add a motion video. Add the motion video without sound. So You just need to allow it to upload. I've uploaded it. The next thing I'll do is I will write the prompt that will enable this our picture, this our character image to dance like the motion video. All right. So what I will do is, let's think of what to write. So I will say ensure. I will say ensure. Okay, this is it. Let me finish typing before I show you. Ensure the character copies the reference video exactly, including dance steps, body motion, rhythm, facial expression, expression. Okay, think okay, and overall performance, energy, energy. Okay, this is what I've written. All right. So, but I will leave this this my prompt in this video. I will leave it in this video. So make sure you what you are watching it from my YouTube channel. Now, I will. You can see this place generate. It's showing this generate shows the numbers of coin that will be taken while generating this video. So when you have exhausted your coin, they will ask you to upgrade before you can generate another one. All right. So you have to, if possible, you pay for it. All right. But there are other free ones you can use. So I have to hit generate. So when I click generate, you can see it will start generating. We are using AI. AI is not perfect. So it's not sometimes you may generate and it will not give you what you actually want. So all you just need to do is to recreate. All right, guys, our video is ready. But right now, I'm a bit skeptical. I don't know if it will actually give the result we want. Anyways, let's try it out. Wow, our dancing baby is ready. We've created our dancing baby. You can see, look at the dance step, the energy, everything is giving. All right. So now after this, you have to hit download. If you click on the download, it will take you to this place. Then you can download with watermark. You can download without watermark. Now, if you don't want the watermark, that means you have to upgrade your plan. All right, you have to upgrade, but it doesn't matter to me for the sake of what I'm doing. I just need to download with the watermark. So there is something I want to show you. But before then, I want to talk about something about the generation process. The process can be faster if you upgrade your account, or yeah, if you upgrade your account, and also your internet connection. If your connection is stable, if you have a good internet connection, all right, the whole process can happen faster. I have to speed up the whole process of generation in my own case because of network, but The major thing is we have generated our dancing baby. All right. So what I want to show you is how to add the sound to this baby dancing. All right. So majority of the videos out there may not show you all these things. So let me go to CapCut. Open your CapCut. You click new videos. You select the the baby we have generated, the video. You select it. So the next thing you do is you click audio. You click sound. Then you click this folder. You click device, because if the sound you want to add is in the device, you click device, then you select from your phone. Then you can decide to use TikTok sound. You can decide to use any sound in the app, in the CapCut. All right, but I've already downloaded that same sound, the video we mimic the dance. I've already downloaded the sound from that video. That video we just mimic. So I have to search for the, I think, TikTok, right? Yeah, this is the sound. Okay, so this is the sound. All right. So this is the sound. TikTok. So I just need to add it. You can see I've added it. So let me play it. And that is it, guys. Now you know how to create your own AI animated dancing baby from start to finish. If you followed along, you should already be able to make fun, creative dancing videos and experiment with different styles, characters, and music. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe for you not to miss out from other videos that will be coming.